In this video, I explain function, constructions and working of pressure reducing valve. So from the name, you can understand that this valve is used to reduce the pressure of oil and then after supplied it to the system. Pressure reducing valve is used to maintain the constant reduced pressure in the system. Okay, means they are used to reduce the pressures and maintain these reduced pressures inside the system. So then you think, what is the difference between this pressure relief valve and pressure reducing valves? Okay, so this pressure relief valve is used to relieve the pressures and then it is again supplied it back to the tank. Okay, means outlet of the pressure relief valve is connected with the tank. Okay, but in a pressure reducing valve, the outlet of the pressure reducing valve is connected with the system, means oil coming out from the pressure reducing valve is connected with the system. In earlier case of the pressure relief valve, that outlet is connected to the tank. Okay, and this pressure relief valve is normally closed type valve. Okay, and this valve is normally open type valve. So this is the basic two difference between the pressure relief valves and pressure reducing valve. These valves are used to limit the outlet pressures, means oil is supplied at the constant pressures to the system because the pressure limit are setted. Pressure reducing valve is normally open type valve. Okay, so they are normally open, means they reduce the pressure continuously and then supplied it to the systems. In pressure relief valve, they are normally closed type valve and they only open when the pressure is increased above the preset value. Okay, but this pressure reducing valve is continuously open. Open means they are reducing the pressure and then supplied oil to the system. It has an adjusting screw, spring, conical poppet fitted to a diaphragm as shown in this figure. Now here you see this figure, here the second image. Okay, so in this image you see this is the outer body, that sectional views indicate outer body. Okay, and here the conical poppet, this side is the inlet. Okay, and this conical poppet is connected with this spring and this spring is connected with the screw, means if we rotate the screw then the tensions of the spring is increased and we are able to set the pressures of this pressure reducing valves, and this side is the outlet. Okay, and this is the symbol of the pressure reducing valve. Same way this figure, it is also same type. Okay, so how it's work? So here you see this inlet is from this side, means this side is connected with the pump. Okay, it is mentioned here, and its outlet is connected to the system, means they are from this pressure relief valve, from the pressure reducing valves, the oil is supplied to the direction control valves and then after it is supplied to the actuators and different component of the system. Now if the pressure at the outlet is increased, the diaphragm is deflect upwards, due to which conical poppet will also move upwards to close the passage of working fluids. Means this poppet valve, this conical poppet is close this passage when they are moving upward directions. Okay, so here you see an image, it is the this side of the conical has the higher diameter, this side is the lower diameter. So when this poppet valve is moving upward and the passage is closed, when the passage is closed, the oil is not supplied to the outlet, means they are not supplied to the further systems. Okay, so if the pressure at the outlet is increased, means this is the outlet side, this outlet is connected with directional control valves. At this side, if the pressure is increased, okay, then what happen? When the pressure is increased, the oil is backflow to this pressure reducing valves and they are try to move this diaphragm in the upper directions. Okay, so this horizontal line is indicate this diaphragms. Okay, so this diaphragm is moving in upper direction. Okay, then what happen? When this diaphragm is moving in upper direction, means this conical poppet is also moving in upper direction because this conical poppet is connected with this diaphragms. Okay, so when this diaphragm is moving in upper direction, then the conical poppet is also moving upper direction, and when this conical poppet is moving in upper direction, this passage is closed or the area of this passage is reduced, and the area of the passage is reduced means flow is reduced. When the area is reduced means flow is reduced and the pressure reduced to the normal. Once the pressures come to the normal, the diaphragm deflect downwards. So when the pressure is coming the normal, then the diaphragm is moving downward directions, means deflect on the downward sides, and the conical poppet move downwards because when the diaphragm is moved down, then conical poppet is also moving in downward directions, and its open the passage for the working fluid to the flow. Means when the passage is open means more working fluid is supplied to the reduced pressure to the system. So this valve is called as the pressure reducing valve in hydraulic systems and a pressure regulators in a pneumatic system. Means constructions and working of this valve are same, but this name is different for hydraulic systems as well as for the pneumatic system. For hydraulic system, its name is the pressure reducing valves, and for the pneumatic system, its name is the pressure regulators. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the OHP as well as the other subject of the mechanical engineering. For more video of the OHP, the link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. Card means on the top right screen of your mobile or laptop you see the I symbols. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.